Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Discord stuck on black screen or gray screen. So first thing first, this happens when your application has a glitch in itself. Let's go ahead and fix it. First thing first, come below at the search bar, type in Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Under Processes, click anywhere, then type in D. If you see Discord anywhere, you have to right click onto it and Task. Once done, close this. For the next step, type in Windows NR, then type in %local app data %, and then enter. At the section, you will see this temp folder. If you don't find it, click anywhere, then type in T. You will get landed onto temp folder. Double click onto it, select all of these, and then click delete. This is only a temporary file, so even though if you delete it here, it will auto-generate itself. Delete everything that you can, and for things that you cannot delete, leave this as it is. Once done, launch your Discord application, and just like so, this is how you can do it. This shall work.